Hi guys, I'm shopping at Costco today and I'm buying a pre-seasoned tri-tip for dinner, so let's head inside. We have had this tri-tip plenty of times as it is one of our family's favorite. It is the Steakhouse Beef Tri-tip. Some people have said that they find this product to be too salty, but we thought it was well seasoned and delicious the way it is. If you're sensitive to salt, then you may want to buy an unseasoned tri-tip and just season it yourself to your liking. Here's the nutrition facts and the list of ingredients. And there are cooking instructions on the back of the package. You can choose to cook it in the oven or over the grill. I had chosen the oven method because it's just easy. The instruction says to cook the tri-tip at 375 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. So I'm going to cook it for 40 minutes and then check on it. At the 40-minute mark, the meat had only measured at 126 degrees, so I had placed it back into the oven for another 10 minutes. The second time that I had checked on the tri-tip, it had reached 143 degrees, so it was time to remove it from the oven. We like our beef medium rare, so it turned out perfect. Be sure to let the tri-tip sit for 10 minutes, then slice the meat against the grain. I had also purchased some mushrooms and green beans to serve with the tri-tip. So this is our dinner, guys, quick and easy from Costco.